Welcome to Shashi Vangapalli Couture. Let me introduce to this grand sherwani here. Look at this amazing grand work of Zardozi and Kardana work here, which is made on the hands. It's so beautifully made with the leaf design. And look at this work on the neck. And there's an amazing embroidery work made up of purely handmade on the bottom with the leaves and Zardozi and Kardana combination. It's made up of handmade, and it purely takes 15 to 20 days of time, and its cost ranges from 70,000 to 1,20,000. You can place the orders of this onto this number, and we can also customize the order based on your prices. And let me introduce you to the other work, other grand sherwani here. Look at this grand sherwani here. It is made up of raw silk, and it's a combination of Zardozi and Kardana. And look at this beautiful design on the hands. It's purely hand woven. You can see that on the neck as well. It's the combination of Zardozi and Kardana work. It's made up of leaf designs. You can see this beautifully handmade hand woven designs, and there's an amazing work done here also in the bottom, which is made up of Zardozi and Kardana. It's completely hand woven, and it takes 15 to 20 days of time. You can place this sherwani on order on this number, on this particular number, and it takes 15 to 20 days of time to make it. Look at this half-white design. Look at this beautiful design made on the hands with the combination of Zardozi and Kardana as well. And the design it's completely hand woven. And look at this beautiful design on the neck. And bottom, it's very grand, and which is gonna look really amazing on your grand day. It is also made up of this Zardozi and Kardana combination. You can look at this floral designs and the geometrical designs right here. It's gonna look really wonderful on your grand day. You can place the order of this beautiful sherwani on this number, and it takes 15 to 20 days of time to get it delivered. So it has sequence work on this sherwani, on this particular sherwani. It is completely hand woven, and it's made up of raw silk, and it is a pastel color. So you can see this, it is made up of Zardozi and Kardana combination, and you can have this leaf designs. You can see this how beautifully it's made, and it's completely hand woven and made up of raw silk, and it takes 15 to 20 days of time. You can place an order of this particular sherwani on this particular number, and it ranges from 70,000 to 1,20,000, and it's also made up on your customization and on your based on your budgets. This is peach pink color sherwani, which is gonna look really amazing on your grand day, and it is made up of Zardozi and Kardana combination. You can look at this diamond pearl designs here on the hand, which is gonna look really amazing on your grand day. And the beautiful handmade work here on the neck as well, which is also made up of Zardozi and Kardana combination, and the floral designs here, which is gonna look really beautiful along with you on your special occasion. And bottom also, it's also made up of Zardozi and Kardana combination, which is gonna look really grand, and it's completely hand woven, and it's made up of raw silk, which is gonna take 15 to 20 days of time to make. And you can place an order of this sherwani on this particular number, which is gonna take 15 to 20 days, and it's gonna cost between 70,000 to 1,20,000. And we can also customize that sherwani on your budget as well. So here I'm introducing you to the new outfit, which is a very really amazing outfit, which is made up of the combination of Zardozi and Kardana. Look at this beautiful design on the hands, which is really beautiful and which is gonna look really grand on your beautiful day. And the geometrical designs here on the neck, which is gonna be really amazing, and it is made up of Cardozi and Zardana combination, and it has really beautiful designs of the leaves here, which is gonna be really beautiful on your wonderful day, and it's gonna make your occasion really special. And this is gonna cost between 70,000 to 1,20,000, and its customization can be based on your budget as well. And for the order of this particular sherwani, you can place an order on this number. So look at this grand outfit here, which is gonna be really beautiful on your occasion. It's made up of Zardozi and Kardana combination work. Look at this beautiful design on the hand here, which is gonna make a really grand gesture on your day, special day. And look at this beautiful design on the neck, which is made up of the Zardozi and Kardana combination, and the studs here, which are gonna make a really good appeal on your grand day, and the great hand woven work here on the bottom, which is made up of floral and the leaves design, which is going to look really grand on your occasion, special occasion. And it's completely hand woven and made up of raw silk, which is going to take 15 to 20 days of time. To place an order of this particular sherwani, you can contact on this number. After contacting on this number, we can also do the customization based on your budget as well. So I'll introduce you to the other new outfit here. So this is completely hand woven and made up of raw silk, and it's a combination of Rasian work, Kardani and Zardozi combination here. Look at this beautiful combination of Zardozi and Kardana here on the neck, which is going to look with the geometrical design. It's made completely handmade, and it's made up of raw silk, which is going to take 15 to 20 days to make, and it's going to make your special day really amazing. It's going to be a great appeal on your looks. And yeah, you can order this particular sherwani on this particular number, and it's made up of and its prices ranges from 70,000 to 1,20,000, and it can also be based on the customization based on your budget as well. Look at this peach pink color, baby pink color, which is gonna be really amazing on your grand day. It's made up of completely floral design and combination of Zardana and Cardozi design. It is completely made up of thar work, and look at this pastels here on the neck, which is going to look really beautiful. And you can see this floral designs. These are all completely handmade and are made up of raw silk. You can see how grand they have made it. So this grand sherwani is going to look amazing on your grand day. So this particular sherwani's order can be placed on this particular number, and its price will range around from 70,000 to 1,20,000, and it can also be and its customization also can be made on your based on your budget as well. So here is another new outfit here, which is going to look really amazing, and thar work and the powder blues, and it's a combination of Zardozi and Kardana work here. And the design here, which is made on the hands, is gonna look, it has Rasian work here, and pastel color. It is made up of pastel colors, and the great leaf designs here on the neck is gonna look really amazing. And it has great sequence work. And here you can look at the bottom, which has the sequence work and Zardozi and Kardana combination, which is going to look really amazing on your special occasion. And this particular sherwani can be ordered on this particular number, and its customization can be done based on your budget as well. So look at this another outfit here, which is going to look really great on your special day. and special occasions. So look at this great Zardozi and Kardana combination here on the hands, which is gonna look really beautiful, and the work here, Zardozi and Kardana combination with the neck here, the beautiful design on the neck, and the ration work which is done. Completely it's hand woven and made up of raw silk. Look at this bottom design here, made up of Zardozi and Kardana, completely hand woven and takes 15 to 20 days of time. This is completely of pastel color and completely hand woven. So this particular sherwani can be placed order on this number, and it can be made based on your budget as well. And basically it ranges from 70,000 to 1,20,000, but also can be made based on your particular budget. So here's another great grand sherwani here placed, which is made up of Zardozi and Kardana work and ration work. You can look, when you look at this hand design here, it has red studs placed here, which is gonna look really grand on your special occasion and your grand day. And you can look this embroidery work here completely on the neck, which is gonna look really grand. So basically this is completely hand woven and it is made up of raw silk, which takes 15 to 20 days to place. And basically to order this sherwani, you can order it on this particular number. Its price ranges from 70,000 to 1,20,000. So it can also be made on your budget as well. The customization can be made on your budget as well. So here's another grand sherwani here. As you look here, it's completely of Zardozi and Kardana combination. You can see how grand it looks, and the neck and the ration work here looks really amazing, and you can see the designs here on the hand as well. It's completely hand woven and it's made up of raw silk, which is gonna look really amazing on your grand day. You can see the floral designs and the leaf designs here, which are completely of ration work, Zardozi and Kardana combination. If you look at this color, it's totally pastel color and it's gonna look really amazing on your grand day. To place an order of this sherwani, you will have to order it on this number, and the customization can be done based on your budget. Usually it's around 70,000 to 1,20,000, but then the customization can be done based on your budget as well. Hi, so here's another sherwani which is gonna look really simple and royal at the same time. You can look at this particular design on the hand, which is made up of combination of Zardozi and Kardana work, and there's a ration work combination as well. So here if you look, it looks really simple as well. If you look at it, it looks really simple and royal as well. It's completely made up of raw silk and completely hand woven. It takes 15 to 20 days of time. So as you look at it, it really looks grand and simple both at once. So this sherwani can be placed order on this number. So this sherwani's price ranges from 70,000 to 1,20,000, and the customization can be done on your budget as well. Look at this great color here. It's a pastel color and it is made up of sequence work, ration work, and look at this beautiful design here on the hand. It's completely made of Zardozi and Kardana combination, and it's also made up of ration work, and it also has sequence work here in the bottom. You look at this, it's a great design and it looks so royal, like you'll be mind blown on your special occasion day. It's completely hand woven and it's completely made up of raw silk. It's gonna take 15 to 20 days to make it. As you look at it, it's so grand and it takes 15 to 20 days of time. If you want to place an order of this particular sherwani, you can order it on this particular number. Its price ranges from 70,000 to 1,20,000, and its customization can be done based on your budget as well. So there's another grand sherwani here, which is a combination of Zardozi and Kardana and sequence work. You can look at this top, how beautifully it's made with the leaf designs with the combination of Zardozi and Kardana work, and it's gonna look really great on your special occasions. And look at this bottom designs, which is really royal and it's a combination of Zardozi and Kardana, which is really special, and it is completely made up of raw silk, and it's completely hand woven. It takes 15 to 20 days of time, and you can place this particular Sherwani's order on this particular number, and its price ranges from 70 to 1,20,000, but then its customization can be done based on your budget as well. And here I present you to the last outfit here, which is made up of Zardozi, Kardana, Ration work, sequence work and tar work combined. You can look at this beautiful design here on the front of the hands, which are gonna look really amazing on your front, on your special occasion. And look at this beautiful work on the neck, which is also made up of Zardozi and Kardana combination, which is gonna look really grand on your great day, special occasions. And it's completely made up of raw silk, which is gonna completely be made up of hand woven designs. It's gonna take 15 to 20 days of time to make. And if you want to really order this Sherwani here right there, you can contact on this particular number, and it's gonna take it's gonna cost around 70,000 to 1,20,000, but its customization can be made based on your budget as well.